This is going to be a video tutorial on how to rotate objects in Inkscape. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Inkscape here. I have Inkscape opened up now. On my canvas here I have a shape, I have some text, and I have an image here. It basically works the same way to rotate any of them. I'm going to start off by this shape here. To rotate a shape in Inkscape, first thing you want to do is left click on the shape to select it. As you can see, I have it selected now. To rotate it, you want to left click on it again. I'm going to left click on it a second time, and you can see these arrows have now changed to curved arrows. And you just grab one of those curved arrows. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button here, and I'm going to drag downward. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button now. It works the same way for text. I'm going to left click on the text to select it. As you can see, now I have the text selected and it has these arrows all around it. And when I left click on it a second time, those arrows change to curved arrows. And you just grab one of those curved arrows with your mouse. I'm going to left click on this one. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button. And I'm going to drag it however you want to drag it. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. And it works exactly the same on images too. I'm going to left click on this image to select it. You can see I have my arrows all around the image now. It is selected. I'm going to left click on it a second time. And those arrows change to curved arrows all the way around it. And you can grab any one of them. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag one way or the other. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button. That is how to rotate objects in Inkscape. Thanks for watching.